Buen día, amigos de YouTube. Hoy es domingo y es mi día libre. El plan de hoy es ir a desayunar a un lugar que nunca fuimos y después me voy a juntar con dos amigas australianas. Tal vez solamente la vea Courtney. Miren, les quería mostrar el libro hermoso que me compré ayer después de una sesión de terapia en la que tocamos bastante el tema del tiempo libre, cómo darle valor. Salí de esa sesión y me fui a comprar este libro. No porque me lo hayan recomendado, sino porque juzgué a un libro por su portada. Obviamente antes de comprármelo, en la librería googleé de qué se trataba y si era muy complejo de entender el inglés. Porque nunca leí un libro completamente en inglés. No voy a entender nada, lo voy a comprar y no lo voy a leer. Va a ser solamente para decorar mi casa, que igual no me molesta. Así que deseenme suerte. Déjenme en los comentarios si conocen este libro. Es de la autora Asako Yuzuki, que sé que tiene un bestseller, que acá lo dice. Se llama Butter. Este libro estaba al lado y no me gustó tanto su portada. Googleé de qué se trataba y ese sí decía que era un poco más complejo para leer en inglés y que era más lento. Y yo dije, no, yo necesito engancharme rápido con algo. Y lo que más me gusta es que la autora es japonesa, los personajes son japoneses y todo transcurre en Japón. Ah, bueno. Silencio absoluto. Prendo la cámara y pasa un tractor. Joaco se pidió un latte y yo me pedí un mocha para variar un poco, que es café con chocolate y con leche de avena. Yo quería mocha. Era obvio que yo iba a pedir mocha y vos ibas a querer mocha, pero ¿por qué no cambiaste?
Ya lo había pedido.
¿Te querés morir?
Está muy bueno.
Ay, bueno, tenés que aprender que yo tengo que pedir primera siempre. Pop, tu novio tiene ascendente en Libra. Hoy nos despertamos y Joaco dijo, vamos a algún cafecito que no hayamos ido. Y encontró este lugar que quedaba a ¿cuántos kilómetros de casa más o menos?
15.
Es realmente en el medio de la nada, ¿eh? Está muy bueno. Y por lo que entendimos, te puedes quedar a dormir acá, puedes alquilar cabañitas. Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy.
Thank you so
It's
much.
a great spot.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ahí llegó él. Es como un budín. ¿Qué será eso que se le siente?
No sé. No sabía que era de limón hasta que lo dijiste vos. Imagínate.
Eso que se le siente es cáscara de limón. Me acabo de dar cuenta.
Puede ser.
Por eso tiene esa textura tan rara.
En algún momento fue como, qué gran idea.
¿El ajedrez?
Sí, lo usaron 2 veces. Ocupa una banda de espacio. No es lindo, no es estético.
Martitei se despertó duro hoy, ¿eh? Yo creo que cada familia que viene a pasar el fin de semana acá lo usa por lo menos una vez.
No, imposible. Porque no te da para terminar un partido.
No tenés que terminarlo. Yo creo que un niño ve eso y se entretiene, sin jugar, realmente. Estamos al lado de lo que parecen unas cabañas para venir a hospedarse. Igual, ¿en qué contexto te venís a hospedar acá?
Pensaba exactamente lo mismo.
455 habitantes. La mitad que nuestro pueblo. Mira un gato.
She wants to hang out with you, but only if you ignore her. The minute you look at her, she'll run away.
Oh, really?
Hard to get.
La aparición de un gato es la bendición suprema. Encima en esta zona no hay gatos. La gente no tiene gatos. Un chico que me advirtió sobre que no te gustaba janguear con la gente, ¿puede hacer esto? Está ronroneando hace 1000 horas.
Sí.
¿Lo escuchás?
Son 2 tiempos.
¿Qué significa eso?
Como la motosierra, ¿viste? Esas cosas.
Claro. Todo listo para los bagels. Adentro está Joaco tostando los panes y ya vamos a almorzar. Tenemos salmón ahumado de Tasmania, rúcula, palta, alcaparras infaltables para un bagel, cebolla morada, pan de bagel tostadito y queso crema. La pinta que tiene esto. No, me encanta. Posta.
¿Te gustó?
Las alcaparras le suman mucho.
¿Sí?
Mal, las amo.
Muy bueno.
Okay, guys, this is the part of the video which I am starting to speak in English. And here's Courtney.
Hola,
¿Cómo estás?
¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y vos?
Bien. ¿Y vos?
Bien, gracias.
Gracias, amigos.
I want to tell my friends, my YouTube friends, the thing that I told you. No matter what you do with your hair, you still being a cool girl. And she showed me.
I'm a cool girl.
My brain is like in Spanish yet.
Okay,
you know
that's
what
fine.
I mean? Okay.
Mine is also in Spanish.
Really?
No.
Oh, you told me you've been practicing on
Oh
Duolingo.
no, I lost my streak and I've just lost all motivation in life.
Oh,
It was like 700 and something days. Okay.
keep walking,
Alright.
but slow because you have long legs. But
I know, I
I'm
forget
South
that.
American. I'm short, like in mind.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
There's not much there. I actually don't know if I brought my glasses. Do I look beautiful?
I'm gonna do some Spanish with my friends.
Okay.
Just, I don't want you to feel like excluded.
Oh, that's fine.
Vinimos a comprar una bebida. Yo me agarré una kombucha. Courtney me dijo que se le dice butch. Well, we got one butch and
One coffee.
un café
Café.
muy rico,
Sí.
delicioso.
We're going somewhere scenic. Views, vibes. Views and vibes.
Do you know what Airbnb means?
Bed and breakfast.
Airbnb, but why air?
Yeah, I don't know the air. I don't know. I can tell you that. I don't know much
About life?
about the English language.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm gonna show my friends this beautiful road. Is it a road or more
Yeah.
like a street?
It's a road.
It's a road.
It's a street. It's whatever you want to call it. It's an adventure, that's what it is. Vibes. Views and vibes.
I'm not paying any fine, and that's fine.
And that's fine. And I'm fine with that.
I think the most like hard thing to learn when you are talking another language, like speaking a new language, is the double sense jokes.
Oh yeah.
So I'm a fucking professional.
Yeah. You are.
Are you smelling my raw onion?
Oh
breath?
yeah. I'm trying to be polite and not say anything.
But you stink, bitch.
But that's why I turned the aircon on because of the my air flowing.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I brushed my teeth.
It's alright.
Kangaroo! No, it's like a wallaby, right?
I don't know. Bye. It's gone. That's what it is. It's gone. Well, I hope you had a nice life, Bruno, because this is where I come to kill you. I'm just looking for somewhere to chuck a Yugo.
Do you need some help?
Mentally, yes. Your mushroom?
Looks like. Try it.
I'll either die or have a really good time, right? I have like a really big fear of heights, so I don't go any further. So quiet. This is the most least aesthetic drink.
But still school on you.
Yeah, I mean, everything is. Let's be real. Should I run back and get my tarot cards?
Yeah. Do you want me to go with you or do you
No,
wanna...
you're happy to stay here?
Yeah.
Unless you want to come. Do you want to come? If like that's the last time we ever see each other. I'm like, yeah, I'll go to the car, and I come back and you're gone. I'm like, but Bruna,
What happened if you never come back?
yeah,
And you leave me alone here with no signal?
no one knows we're here.
That would be worst.
True. All right, bye. Okay.
Are
No,
you
I'll be
are you
really
coming
quick.
back, right? You have your coffee here.
Yeah, that's why. Like, yeah, that's
yeah.
how you know I'm coming back.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not gonna leave my
Guarantee.
bag or any of my personal belongings.
Yeah.
But my coffee will be here.
Okay.
And I can't leave without that. It's like, I'm timing you. Did you ever do that to your siblings? Like, just go do it, I'm timing you.
Qué cosa, la verdad, setear la cabeza para hablar otro idioma y entender constantemente lo que te está diciendo la otra persona. Bueno, entender lo más que puedas, ¿no? Pero estar muy atenta. There she is. What's the proper way to pronounce your name?
Courtney. Oh,
Courtney.
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 Like court? Like tennis court?
Yeah, Courtney.
Yeah.
Courtney.
Yeah.
Courtney. Courtney.
Yeah.
Courtney.
Courtney.
For my brain,
Yeah.
it's
Corny.
Courtney.
Yeah.
Like Courtney.
Courtney. Courtney. Mm.
How would you say my name? Like in your...
Bruna. Oi, Bruna. Oi, shut the fuck up, Bruna.
Just practicing.
What ones do you want to do?
I feel like it's these ones.
The angel one?
Yeah.
Maybe you can shuffle this. Started this Instagram because over New Year's, it might have been on New Year's Day, and I like saw my reflection in the window, and I'd been like, my hair was just like, I look fucked. Like,
Yeah.
why did no one tell me I look like I've been electrocuted? Anyway, so every time I look like fucked, I'll take a photo
Oh.
and I'll post it. So I have this Instagram of like really bad photos. My mum went to follow me. I was like, Mum, no, like no one can even know this is me. It's just a random private account.
How did she find you?
I don't know. Oh, because I don't know. I post a bunch of photos just having the time of my life laughing at myself. And then I put it away for a few hours. And because I don't have Instagram on my phone, like to get notifications, when I looked again, I realized I hadn't put the account on private. It was like this was posted, and it wasn't until after this that I realized I had it on public.
Can I show this to the camera?
So you like ask a question, I guess, like, you know, and then you can spread it. So you can either pick like the card off the top, or you can like spread them and, you know, pick
Okay.
cards.
Do I have to ask like out loud?
You can do it in your head. You can if you like.
No, I'm gonna do it out loud.
Okay.
Out loud is like not necessary screaming, right?
No, that's what I mean by out loud. This is why I brought you here.
I'm a little bit confused about that.
No, I'm kidding.
But just it's out loud. It's like outside your brain, just out
Yeah.
loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or it can be in your brain. Out loud in your brain. My brain's quite loud.